little ones are sick, you want the quickest, most effective remedies. Consumer Reports medical experts say that not only is there little evidence that children's liquid cough and cold medications help very much, they can have risky side effects. And they should never be taken by children under 4, according to the American Academy of Pediatrics. Children under 12 should never take medications containing codeine. The FDA recently warned that they can cause life-threatening breathing problems. So when your child has symptoms, what should you do? Consider these tried and true remedies instead. Stay hydrated. Drinking fluids helps prevent mucus from getting lodged in the nose and throat. Warm drinks like soup or decaf tea with honey can loosen congestion and soothe an irritated throat. Recent studies have found that honey is as effective at relieving a cough as some over-the-counter cough drugs. For children 1 and older, the American Academy of Pediatrics advises 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of honey is needed, but never give honey to a child under 12 months of age. For children 5 and over, sucking on a sugar-free throat lozenge or candy can help relieve an irritated throat and reduce the urge to cough. Don't give hard candy or lozenges to younger children, as they can choke on them. Older children can ease a sore throat by gargling with salt water. And you'll both feel good once they're feeling better.